Hey divas, so in today's video we are going to be talking about these new essential nude fragrances. I have all 4 of them, so yeah, if you guys are interested in my review then definitely keep on watching. So jumping right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that I have worn all of these for a day to kind of test them out so I can be able to share with you guys like how I feel about them and everything like that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right into the tea. I also wanted to note that I did go ahead and print out each of the notes and everything and the description that they have on the actual website so that I don't have to like look in between my phone. So I will be reading that directly from here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. So I really love this packaging. It's very aesthetically pleasing, very beautiful. I will be putting it on display on my shelf because this is just so freaking beautiful. And you guys know I love my blacks and neutrals and everything like that, so this is really gorgeous. We're gonna go ahead and start off with Nude Sand. So you just open up the box here and then you have your fragrance. Okay, so I can't do that and look cute on camera so I'm just take it out now. So I really do overall like these fragrances. Now it does, I know it probably looks like very small. This is 1 fluid ounce. Okay, so this is 1 fluid ounce, and I believe for the bundle it was about $140, so I don't feel like that's bad for 4 fragrances, and they're each 1 fluid ounce, so to me that's good, but you can make your decision. They also sell them individually, so you don't have to get the bundle, but I was super excited because I'm just now diving into the KKW fragrances. Now I'm gonna go ahead and read the description of the fragrance. So this one is Nude Sand. It says, an intimate scent that evokes images of tender petals grazing soft skin. A caring floral bouquet of delicate bay rose, beige peony, and white freesia are wrapped in clouds of amberette and balmy tonka absolute. So this one I did really like. However, this is very soft. Okay, so this is perfect for like the daytime or like when you're not trying to have your scent be very noticeable. All the notes that they talk about, you can definitely smell those. I think my favorite is the freesia, which is that's what's most prominent on me, but I know everybody's body chemistry is very different, but that's what I smell the most. Okay, and it's really nice for that. I would just say, like, I don't know, like I feel like they need to up it a little bit, like make it a little bit more intense, but however this will be perfect and I'm not mad at it at all. I would definitely be going to this as a more of a daytime scent. And I also want to show you guys like how the packaging looks. So once you take off the top, I'm just so in love with this packaging. So once you take off the top, it has a black sprayer. So yeah, and it's just so beautiful. Like this is just perfect for me because this is what I love. I love blacks and neutral colors, so this couldn't have been any better for me. But yeah, so that is how it looks. So overall, I am a little bit underwhelmed with this fragrance, but at the same time I'm not mad at it because like I said, it'll be perfect for the daytime. So the next one we are going to talk about is called Nude Silk. So let me go ahead and take it out of the box. I really love this nude color. Like I used to get this nude color on my nails and it's just so freaking beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, the packaging is literally to die for. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and read the description on this one and the fragrance notes and their description. So it says, a deep balmy floral scent drenched in sensual nectars of juicy ripe peach, fresh green leaves, and sparkling bergamot introduce the sheer peony signature, creating a touchable feminine addiction that is only further impassioned by solar heat and white wood. So this is actually one of my favorite ones because it just like it has like everything that I want. Okay, and I want to describe this correctly. I really enjoyed this. So yeah, I definitely smell like it's not overpowering with bergamot, but you could smell like that there is like some type of fruitiness to it, and that nectar and peach and bergamot is like blended so well in this. And honestly, I feel like this is an anytime fragrance, and when I say anytime fragrance, I mean day or night, summer, winter, fall, autumn, whenever it's gonna be spring. Okay, I feel like this one is like one of those fragrances, so I really really do like this. I would actually repurchase this because this smells like, oh my gosh, it smells so amazing, and I love the versatility on it. Like I could actually, like, especially if I go on a staycation, I could pack this and this could be the only fragrance that I take because it works for everything, like anytime, anywhere. Okay, so I really do like this one. So if you like a fruity type of smell that has a hint of bergamot, I would definitely recommend this because this, like, ooh, it just smells so good. I wish I could just let you guys smell it. So here's the next one. The next one is called Nude Soleil, and this is honestly one of my least favorites. Okay, so it says rich suede tonalities, oh girl, of amber and cardamom with a fiery heat of pink peppercorn envelopes the senses. Dewy honeysuckle nectar and a seductive santal chord create an intimate signature veiled by cashmere woods and exotic Haitian vetiver. Okay, so all the notes in this, it ain't for me. Okay, it's just not for me. Okay, first of all, pink peppercorn, not for me. Like cardamom, it has to be paired with the right thing. The santal chord, like, it's just, the notes in this is not, like, it just does not do anything for me. However, I will keep it for the aesthetic and because it's a group, and maybe I'll gift it if somebody is okay with this. Like if one of my family members or friends come over and they smell it and they're feeling it, I probably will go ahead and give it to them, because this is just not the fragrance for me. And it doesn't mean that it smells bad or anything. It just, for me, honey, it's just not doing it for me at all. So last but certainly not least, we have Nude Suede. Okay, and here is the packaging. So let me go ahead and take her out, and I love this nude color as well. It just so freaking nice. Let me go ahead and read the notes and description of this scent. So this glowing scent opens with an aromatic lavender to evoke open skies. The pulsing floral heart lang lang and solar sands is deeply textured by sun-kissed notes of addictive sandalwood and the glowing warmth of amber that radiates essential heat. So that is spot on, and I love this. Now this for me is definitely giving fall winter, okay, because it is very warm, very sensual, and that's what I really love about this. Like honestly, like if you trying to, you know, you in the house and you trying to be sexy for yourself, because I definitely do this sometimes. Like I will be just like sexy for myself. I will literally like do my little self-care, and then I'll put on a sexy robe and everything and a sexy fragrance for myself. This will definitely be a go-to. Or if you're trying to do it for a significant other, whether it's going to be you staying in the house, being by the fireplace or something, or whatever it's going to be, like this is nice. Or even on a date, like on a fall and winter date, that's what this reminds me of. Like I'm definitely going to have to wear this on a fall and winter date because honey, this smells, it's just so sensual and warm, and it's just like, it's just sexy. And I think they did a really good job with this because that's what it embodies. Like it just embodies like sexy, sensual, warm vibes. And yeah, they got this right, and I would definitely repurchase this one because it's amazing. So I want to go ahead and talk about like the longevity and everything like that. So I did have them last a pretty long time, and I did test it out. Like I did half of them where I did my thing where I like to make my scents last longer, and they definitely held up with that, and I will be doing a video on that soon, so don't worry. But yeah, and then I also wear them alone, like where I don't kind of enhance how long it lasts, and they still lasted. So as far as longevity, they are really good. Some of them was very soft, like the first one I told you guys, that one is really soft, so it's not going to be prominent where people can smell you. So if you want people to be able to smell you, I probably would not recommend the first one. But again, it is a staple piece because it is good for every day, so you know, you make the decision. Yeah, overall these fragrances are really nice besides Nude Soleil, because Glamshae is not recommending that, okay? But all the other ones are really, really nice. I definitely feel like they are essential to a fragrance collection, and you guys know your girl is a fragrance collector now, okay? Like, I got back on it because I kind of gave it up for a while, but yeah, like these are really, really nice, and I would definitely recommend everyone except for Nude Silk. But yeah, divas, if you guys did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That will let me know that you like these kind of videos, as well as make me happy and make me know like, okay, you're doing a good job, okay? But yeah, be sure to go ahead and comment down below. Let me know which one of these fragrances would you pick up, like what's more close to your personality, or which one did you already pick up. Just talk to me. Y'all know I want to know the tea, like what you get, girl. Also, just comment down below if there's some fragrances you guys want me to try. Definitely wherever they're from, just let me know, because I definitely want to do that. I have recently purchased some perfumes, which I will be doing a haul on, so I can share those with you guys as well. But yeah, so yeah, just comment down below, talk to me, let me know what is your favorite fall and winter staple fragrances. Anyways, y'all know what I mean. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, because your girl do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.